Okay guys, this is after me and Tasha got done shoveling and I'm walking. I dug the car out, took it next door for the plow guy to come. This is my yard as I'm walking out of it. Plow guy was here, tried to do what he could with my car in the yard. He's on his way back sometime this afternoon, I hope. My house. Dude, we have a natural snow disaster. It is crazy. Crazy, crazy. As you can see, my driveway is pretty narrow. The snow is absolutely out of this world. So I'm gonna walk back up my walkway. Miss you, sweetie. You sure missed out on a good one this time. Look at the snow, man. Holy shit. Anyway, I'm off for now, I guess. Put this on the computer. Look, there's my poor cat. He's like, what the hell is going on, dude? Snow up the window. Tash and I shoveled for out in the how long. Anyhow, I'm out. So's the cat. We're heading in for hot chocolate. Love you. Miss you. Ciao for now.